Welcome, fam. You woke up feeling like your body's carrying a weight you can't name. Your chest is tight, your shoulders heavy, and your mind already racing. Before you scroll, before you pour the coffee, pause. Your nervous system needs a reset, not a rush. Let's hit the mat. Come down to your knees, widen them slightly, and fold your torso forward. Let your arms stretch long and tuck them gently by your sides. Now breathe into that space between your ribs. Child's pose isn't just a stretch, it's a surrender. When life feels loud, this is the quiet your body craves. I promise, 60 seconds here can drop your heart rate, soften your spine, and signal to your brain that it's okay to let go. Beginners, stack your fists and rest your forehead. Advanced stretches, sink your hips deeper, reach longer. Still feel tension in your back? Try one deeper breath. There it is. That just calmed your spine. Now let's bring movement into your breath. Come into tabletop, hands under shoulders, knees under hips. Inhale, arch your back, lift your chest. Exhale, round your spine, tuck your chin. Let your breath lead this movement, not your muscles. This isn't just mobility, it's rhythm restoration. I promise, syncing your breath with movement regulates your nervous system and clears the mental fog before the day even starts. Your spine has over 120 joints. This wakes up nearly all of them. Now challenge yourself. Slow this next round by 50%. Feel every inch of the motion. Let's build on this with stillness and strength. Lower onto your belly, elbows under shoulders. Lift your chest gently, gaze forward or down. This isn't a back bend, it's a heart opener. I promise, Sphinx strengthens posture muscles and softens your belly, where most of us hold unspoken stress. Beginners, keep your hips heavy and neck relaxed. Advanced stretches, press through the palms for a subtle lift. Still bracing your stomach? Try softening your breath. That just lifted your chest. Now let's unwind the tension in your upper back. Come back to tabletop. Thread your right arm underneath your left, resting your shoulder and ear to the mat. Twist until you feel a gentle pull between your shoulder blades. This is where emotional weight hides, in the places we can't quite reach. I promise, this one twist releases trapped tension and opens your upper back for deeper breath and better posture. Beginners, keep your hips stacked. Advanced stretches, extend the top arm overhead. Now breathe into that tight spot between your spine and scapula. 5 more seconds. Let's release the other side. Don't skip this one. Same setup. Now thread your left arm under your right. This might feel deeper or tighter. That's not a problem. It's a message. This side of your body may have been carrying more than you realized. I promise, the stretch improves circulation through the shoulders, softens tension in the traps, and helps you let go, physically and emotionally. Still holding your breath? Let it go right now. That's it. But tension doesn't just live in your muscles and joints, it lives in your mind, it shows up in your habits, it drains your energy, even when you sleep 8 hours. When you're burned out, stuck in survival mode, or striving without rest, you don't need a harder plan. You need a reset that nourishes your body, clears your mind, and centers your spirit. That's what the 3-day reset is built for. Daily stretch flows that reconnect you to your body. Scripture plus mindset shifts to clear the mental fog. A faith-fueled nutrition guide that fuels energy without obsession. It's your full body rhythm reboot. Rooted in truth, not trends. And it's completely free to start. Tap the link in the description or pinned comment to begin your free 3-day reset now. Then, when you're ready, if those 3 days wake something up in you, if your body starts to feel aligned, your mornings calmer, your breath steadier, you'll have the option to keep going with the full 30-day reset rhythm experience. Same rhythm, deeper reset. Weekly themes with daily scripture, stretches, journaling, daily support, and God at the center of it all. Because the goal isn't just progress, it's peace that lasts us into the kingdom.